Hi, my name is Kim Dreyer, and I am from the Alberta, Edmonton area. And my story, I am recently widowed, and I did the accounting and bookkeeping and scheduling and all the administration work for my husband's company, which I had to close down. And I did a year of nanny work, and I have been doing cakes for friends and family for about 4 years. I took the basic Wilton course just to learn how to decorate a cake, just to put icing on it, because my first cakes were horrible. And so I took that and continued with the 4 steps of the Wilton course. And from there, I just said to my friends, I want to practice what I've learned. And so I did cakes for them, and they just paid me what it cost for my materials. And as I went on, I was learning more stuff and trying new techniques just from videos on the internet. And I just kept getting the feeling over the last year that there's more out there, there's more that I need to learn, and I'm in this little bubble, and I need to expand and learn. And then when I lost my job as a nanny, that really shook me up again and said, this is one thing that I love, and nobody can take that from me. So I need to expand it and learn more. And so I started searching the internet, and I found this course because, Nate, 2-3 year programs, and it's baking, it's not decorating and designing cakes, which the baking part's okay. But I like doing all the decorating of everything. And so I found this, and I love it. The course so far has been, I'm the kind of person who gets stressed out easily, so I've been on edge a lot, but it has taught me a lot. The first week, the fundamentals of baking was a real eye-opener, because right away, it confirmed my feelings that I did not know very much. And so I've learned a lot in that area. The new techniques that we're learning every week, every day, has been fun. The cube cake yesterday was a real challenge. It took me all night to come down from it. But I look at it now, and I look at it as a good challenge. That I've ordered the discs, and I've committed that I'm going to learn how to do this thing and do it quicker than all day. So I love the course. Lacey is awesome. She's a really good instructor. She knows a lot, and I like the way that she brings it to us. So it's pretty good hands-on, and she explains fairly well. And if you're not listening, well, you better be listening and taking notes. So I love the course. I can't wait. I got another week and a half left, and I've even signed up for the more challenging course afterwards. So I look forward to the rest of the time here.